Welcome to Medicine Mirror, where every medicine tells story. So far in our antibiotic series we've learned what antibiotics are, how antibiotics work, how antibiotic resistance develops, and why it's important to use antibiotics responsibly. In today's video, we'll explore another important topic, drug interactions of antibiotics. Did you know that taking an antibiotic with certain medicines, supplements, or even some foods can reduce its effectiveness or increase the risk of side effects? Let's understand the most common antibiotic drug interactions that everyone should know. So, what is a drug interaction? A drug interaction happens when an antibiotic is taken together with another medicine, supplement, or even certain foods, causing its effect to change. Sometimes the antibiotic may become less effective, while in other cases, the risk of side effects may increase. Let's look at some common examples. Interactions with antacids. Antacids that contain calcium, magnesium, or aluminum can reduce the absorption of certain antibiotics such as tetracyclines and fluoroquinolones. As a result, the antibiotic may not work properly to treat the infection. If your doctor prescribes both medicines, they are usually taken 2 to 4 hours apart. Another common interaction is with iron supplements. Iron tablets can bind to certain antibiotics, especially tetracyclines and fluoroquinolones, reducing the amount of antibiotic absorbed by the body. This means the medicine may not work as effectively to fight the infection. To avoid this interaction, doctors usually recommend taking iron supplements and these antibiotics at least 2 to 4 hours apart. Some antibiotics can also interact with blood thinners, such as warfarin. This interaction may increase the blood thinning effect, which can raise the risk of bleeding. If you're taking a blood thinner, always inform your doctor before starting an antibiotic. Never change or stop your medicines without medical advice. Another important interaction is between alcohol and certain antibiotics. For example, drinking alcohol while taking metronidazole can cause unpleasant reactions such as nausea, vomiting, stomach cramps, headache, flushing, and dizziness. To stay safe, it's best to avoid alcohol during treatment and follow your doctor's advice. Before taking any antibiotic, always tell your doctor or pharmacist about all the medicines, vitamins, herbal products, and supplements you are using. Never take antibiotics together with other medicines without medical advice. Using antibiotics correctly not only helps you recover faster, but also reduces the risk of complications and antibiotic resistance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Medicine Mirror, where every medicine tells its story. See you in the next video.